So you're picking up an RV from Beckley's RVs. Whether it's your first time or you're a lifelong camper, we thank you for choosing us. We'll walk you through your day of pickup so you are that much closer to getting out camping. Before you arrive, don't forget to bring these important things. Copy of your driver's license. Please email or text prior to help expedite your time here. Cash or check for final down payment. Personal checks are fine. Make payable to Beckley's RVs. Current copy of insurance, binder/proof of insurance for a finance transaction and/or motorized RV purchase. If a finance transaction, the lien holder needs to be recorded. If trading, don't forget to include these too. Clear title for your trade. If trade has a lien, some states do not provide a title. If the RV was financed at one time but paid off, for those states such as Maryland, please bring the title and the lien release copy, and your current registration card. When you enter our building, check in with our receptionist who will get you started with whomever you are scheduled with to do your orientation on your new or new-to-you RV. Your orientation will give you a broad overview of your RV for the functionality and features that it has to offer. We'll go over the appliances, storage, maintenance, etc. That in the hopes we will make your first night out camping pleasurable. We recommend, after your orientation, to read your owner's manual to solidify what we went over and the more in-depth conversations about individual components. Once your RV orientation is complete, it's time to visit the parts store. We're fully stocked with more than 18,000 parts and accessories to make sure your camping experience goes without any hang-ups. The parts associate will discuss the essentials and different grades of quality. You will receive a store discount that day to say thank you for doing business with us. Finally, all that's left to do is fill out any paperwork. One of our business office managers will guide you through the process in their private offices to complete the transaction. For Maryland customers, and many of those who finance, your tag and title work will be in the mix, thus making it one less step for you to have to worry about. Thank you again for choosing Beckley's RVs for your purchase. We're committed to your satisfaction as one of our customers, especially after your camper leaves our lot. All that's left to do now is to get out to the campsite and enjoy it. Welcome to the family.